All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Today, another Nomadik box. So this is the December 2024 Nomadik box, the last box of the year. Excuse me, did I say 24? December 2023 Nomadik box. It's the last one for 2023. So if you're interested as to what's in this box, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Take that first step, click subscribe. All right, it was down here somewhere. All right, so this is a Nomadik box. If you are unfamiliar with Nomadik, it is a monthly subscription box. It's gonna run you anywhere from $29 to $33 per month, according to how many months you pick. You can do 1, 6, 12 months. And it goes down the further you go. So if you go out to 12 months, it's about $29 per box. They also have a quarterly box, which is 4 boxes per year. It's a bigger box and have a lot more gear inside. So I'll put a card up top of a quarterly box so you can get over when you're done with this, get over and check that video out. They have an ironclad guarantee, meaning if I open this box and there's something that's damaged, broken, I already have one, I can reach out to Nomadik and they'll replace that item free of charge. Now, I did pay for a subscription to Nomadik. Once that subscription ended, while I had that subscription, I did monthly videos. So when that subscription ended, Nomadik reached out to me and started sending me boxes to keep opening for you guys on this channel. So I have a pile of Nomadik box unboxings on this channel so you can get over and check them out. But we're gonna get into this. This is the December box. I don't know the theme. Let's dig around and see what we're gonna be using to open it. The Victorinox Swiss Army Bantam, really awesome knife. Did a full review of this knife. I'll put a card up top. You can go check that out. So let's get in here. So the other cool thing about Nomadik is if I pay for, let's say I pay for a 12-month subscription and they come in about the same time every single month. Let's say I'm gonna be out of town that week for a particular month. I can just reach out to Nomadik and suspend it. All that means is I don't get that box. It skips. So I still get 12. I just don't get that one. So I'll continue on. So let's see what we have in here now that we are opened up. All right, so here is our pamphlet. So our pamphlet, this theme is Wilderness Warmth, which is really good because it's cold right now. So inside you get a pamphlet in every box, even the quarterly boxes. Gives you a list of all the items that are in this box. Looks like we have 4 items this week or this month. Gives you some tips that always relate to the theme. A Nomadik challenge where you can submit your pictures of you wearing or using this gear for a chance to win more products. All right, and then there's brand discounts on the back that usually relate to, oh, they've changed it to a QR code. So you have a QR code you can scan and you can get those brand discounts, usually relating to the brands that are in this box, but it may go back to other brands. So we're gonna keep this handy in case we need to see what something is. So let's dig in. We got our sticker, really cool sticker. I love the stickers. I have them everywhere. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. All right, so maybe the biggest item in here. Frog and Company. Let's see what this is. Well, if we can get into it. All right, so we've got a little ripstop bag, a little drawstring, and a carabiner. So what is this? Is it a tarp? Looks like a tarp. Let's go to our pamphlet. Survival Frog Pocket Blanket. This multi-purpose blanket is perfect for your perfect companion for outdoor adventures. Small enough to fit in your pocket, but large enough for 4 people. Is handy, durable, travels light. Used to keep it warm as an impromptu picnic blanket, tent, rain fly, or even an emergency survival tarp. So I don't have actual dimensions on it, but it is ripstop. It's double layers. So you have a black layer here and a lime green layer there. from Survival Frog. Now, I have used products from Survival Frog before, and they've always been really quality stuff. All right, so let's get this out of the way. Next, what do we have? We have No Sew Patch. All right, so we've got a patch kit here. How many are there in here? One. Patch and go, no sewing or no ironing. Peel and stick, easy to apply. So it's a little camouflage, little cross X little patch that, there we go. Never know when you need one, but when you need it and don't have it, then that's a problem. So we've got food. What we got here? Awake caramel and almond sea salt. What is this? One bite is equal to half a cup of coffee. Never heard of these. That sounds pretty wholesome. So 50 milligrams is a 0.48 ounce piece. So this one piece of candy is equal to half a cup of coffee. So pretty awesome there. And like I said, I will try to get a link to all of this stuff in the description below, so you can get over if you see and you just want that, you don't necessarily want a box, you can get over and find the Awake Coffee Chews. So what is this? So this is a puffin beverage bag. All right, so we got a carabiner over here with a bottle opener, and it is a sleeping bag that is a koozie, insulated koozie. Puffin is the brand. It is a beverage bag. Yeah, got a little slot, a little elastic pouch here. Puffin is the brand. Let's see what our pamphlet says about it. This can cooler has an insulated interior to keep your drinks cold and your hands warm and dry. Exterior pocket and carabiner give options for packing and attaching to gear while exploring nature. So that's pretty awesome. We've gotten a few koozies in the past. So let's see, it unvelcros, unzips, so you can put your beverage, and it looks like it'll hold a pretty big beverage. It says cans, but I think that looks more like a bottle koozie to me, but we may have to test this bad boy out and see how good it is. So there you go, from Puffin, the beverage bag. So that is the contents of our December Nomadik box. So if you're interested, I'll have a link to Nomadik in the description below. You can get over and check them out. I'll also have links to as much of this gear as I can find in the description below, so you can go check out individual items. They say every box is worth around $50. This one might be less than that, in my personal opinion. I'm not sure what this blanket tarp will run. This doesn't have a price on it. Sometimes they do. This doesn't have a price on it, but maybe I'd be scared to offer a guess as to what that would run. But yeah, I don't think it's quite worth $50 this month. Still some pretty cool items and pretty cool gear. So yeah, if you're interested, go check out Nomadik Box, link in the description below. And I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.